Just wanted to share with you this baobab seedling that you see in this container. I grew this from a seed. It's almost 3 months old. And then what I did is I decided that I wonder if I could graft a mature baobab to this seedling. And in the past I have done air layers on baobabs, and that worked out really, really well. So I said, I never did the grafting, and I don't have any scion wood. So I went down to Hollywood Young Circle. That's here in Florida, and it's a beautiful place, a nice park there in the middle of downtown Hollywood. And I was looking around, and I didn't want to cut a branch of a tree because somebody will probably put you in jail for doing that. But I got lucky, and as I was walking around, I saw not a large branch, kind of a small branch, maybe like 1 foot long, 1.5 feet. And I said, that's a nice branch, and it looks like it just broke off recently. But you never know. Might work, might not work. Let's give it a shot. So here we are, 31 days later, and you can see my graft has healed. I can see if I can get it to focus. They can see a little better. I got my graft. It's a simple graft. It's called a cleft. You can see how nicely it's healed over 31 days later. And I've got a baobab that's almost 8 years old growing in a bonsai pot. And I did a splice graft on that one. And I've got an upcoming video, probably sometime this week, that I'll be posting here and also on YouTube and also on my Facebook. And in that video, you're going to see the results of that graft. Now, based on the success I've had here, I'm pretty sure that spice graft is going to work out real nice. And I'll be happy to share that video with you guys soon. So check out my YouTube channel, Pepe's Plants. Also check us out on Facebook, my Facebook page, Pepe's Plants. And I'll have some updates here as well. Now in the future, I'll be selling these grafted baobab seedlings once I have enough scion wood available from my trees. The benefit of that is a pretty good one, actually. You're going to speed up the process of having flowers and fruit as opposed to waiting maybe 8 to 20 years. So if you want to grow a baobab tree and you want to have an actual tree that flowers and fruits in your backyard, there's a good chance this is the way to go. Now, one last thing. My understanding is that these baobab trees require bats to pollinate them. So you might want to go out and invest in some bats. All right, everybody. I'm talking about not baseball bats. I'm talking about the bats that fly in and, get you in the neck. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, happy Halloween, everybody. We'll have more for you soon. Take care.